Hey guys, welcome back to Santana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do some fried chicken breast. I have my chicken over here, eggs, my flour, and my seasoning that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to fry the chicken. Alright, so I got the eggs right here, 2 eggs. I'm going to mix it around with my fork. Alright, that's how I want it. Set it down here. And then I got my seasoning here. This is paprika and all-purpose seasoning. Let me use something. And my garlic and onion powder. So I'm just going to season the chicken. Sure that it's well seasoned, and I already washed and cleaned the chicken. I washed it with vinegar, water, yeah. Alright, so I got my flour right here. I'm not going to put any seasoning in my flour. So I'm just going to, let me see if, okay, you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's put my chicken in some flour. Oh, I made a mess. And then, right, in the egg wash, drain it off properly, and then onto the flour again. Alright, and yeah, and this is it. Alright, so I'm just going to continue the same thing. I'm going to do 2 of them on camera, and then I'm going to pause and do the rest. And brush it off good. Into the egg mix batter again. And then you just do the same thing. Alright guys, so I'm going to pour some oil in the pot. Fry my chicken. Okay. I'm going to put a piece of pepper in there as well. Alright, so I'm going to wait for the oil to get hot, then I will come back and fry my chicken. Alright guys, so I'm going to add my chicken to the oil. My chicken breast. Yeah. So I'm just going to leave them to cook. Right. So I'm going to leave them like for 4 minutes. Let them cook for 4 minutes on each side. And it's on medium heat. I don't want to put it on high heat and then it will burn the chicken. And I don't want to put it on low heat so that nice crust won't form on the chicken. Alright, so I'm going to turn the chicken right now. The chicken breast. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the breast on the other side so they can cook. Here is 2 pieces of the chicken that I removed already. See it right here. Alright, so I'm going to turn this one again. Turn it over. And this one as well. So I just have 1 piece more of the chicken breast to cook, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Alright, so I'm going to remove this one. I don't want it to get any more darker than how it is already. And this one as well. Let me turn you over. Last piece of chicken in the pot. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Fried chicken breast with my sweet and spicy sauce. Looks really good and it tastes really good too. Close up. See? Want some? Yeah, this is it. It wasn't hard to do. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description box. And thank you guys for watching my video. And if you're new here, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and have yourself a wonderful day, guys. All right,